दज्जाल वीरान इलाके की तरफ आ जाएगा और जमीन को हुक्म देगा कि अपने खजाने उगलते, तो जमीन अपने खजाने इस तरह जमा करके निकालेगी जिस तरह शहद की मक्खियां बड़ी मक्खियों के गिर्द घूमती हैं। तो क्या कुर्रे अर्ज़ का मौसम और नतीजतन पैदा होती खुशसाली, कहर, तूफान, सैलाब, बारिशें, इन पर भी काबू पाया जा सकता है।
Thought to be the warmest year on record. Road in Russia, suddenly alive with a mysterious flash of light.
A state of emergency and now at least 7 dead.
It is freezing cold, up to 25 miles per hour, lighting up the downtown Buffalo.
An earthquake today in central Japan. Close to 500 were forced.
Strong earthquakes with magnitudes of more than a state of emergency in Gaza for these flights.
Torrential rain have killed at least 3 people were struck by lightning from a total of 3,000.
And the shaking is going on in all realms. Even in the scripture, there's a scripture that says, shake yourself. In other